Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can translate text in your design on Canva. Okay, let's get started. Here I have opened my design and I'm going to translate this poster. First thing first, we need to select all the text that we want to translate. Okay, and after we have selected all the tags, we can right click and then you will see translate text right here. But unfortunately guys, this feature is not free. We need to subscribe to Canva Pro if we want to get this feature. And then you can select the target language and I'm going to translate it to, for example, Indonesian. Okay. And then we can also add tone of voice just in case if you want to add text to speech, but I'm just going to skip it. And then I'm going to choose translate pages, or you can select text from current page. Okay, let's go. I'll go with this one. And then we just need to click on translate and hold on. And okay, this is the copy of this page, but it's in Indonesian version. Okay guys, and that's how you can translate text in your design using Canva. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.